So the first step is to apply a base coat to all your nails and let it dry completely. I chose a see-through base coat so it can replace the French color for me. When the base coat is fully dry, start applying the French tips. I use an orange base for this, and I found it the easier to apply it is if you keep the brush still and only rotate the finger. When the first layer is dry, apply a second layer of orange to the tips. Since I don't actually have the orange I wanted to use for, I actually used a different color for the second layer to create a better orange for me. When the second layer of orange is dry, it's time to add the black line. So by using a striping brush, start drawing a line where the orange and French color meets. Don't worry if the line is not perfect, because we're gonna have plenty of opportunity to hide those ones later on with the little lines. And now start adding some little lines, crossing over the long black line that you previously drawn. It's also a good opportunity to hide any imperfections that you may had before with the long line. So kind of just like place those little lines crossing over those places. I've decided to add like 3 to 4 little lines on my nails. So it's not too close to each other, but it's also not too far from each other. And then the last step is just to apply some top coat on your nails. I've preferred to use Seche Vite fast drying top coat because it literally dries super fast. By the time I actually finish the last nail, the first one is already dry, so I have actually less opportunities to read my design.